Hi, I'm Justin. Do you need some really cool free Elementor templates for your WordPress site? In this video my friend Carlos is going to show you how to get these templates completely free. These templates are made for use in Elementor. By the way, in case you don't know, Elementor is one of the best page builders and easiest to use for WordPress. Any changes made in Elementor are shown as you make them, so this will make editing much easier. At the end of this video I will also be providing you a free access code to my paid internet marketing membership club. So make sure to listen for the code and instructions at the end. Okay, so without further delay, take it away Carlos.
Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to add free templates for your Elementor website. So an example here we have the typical design of the WordPress website. So we go to the dashboard, we look for new plugins. Here I already have Elementor plugin installer, but we will look for Envato Elements, which is one of the plugins that I found, and it's a really good source of free templates. They also have another digital asset that you can use for other digital marketing projects. But for this video, I just want to show you how you can easily add new free templates. So we have here the elements. You can use your email for registration. And here in the Envato Elements dashboard, you will get the recommended premium templates. If you want to pay, it's around 14 euros per month, $16. But these are the premium templates. But here under we have the free templates kits that you can start looking for a template that fits to your needs. Or for example here at the search bar you can filter either by one of the topics that you're aiming for. So we have here the creative and design. Let's use this social media consultant. There we have the home, samples, about me sites, case studies in this type, testimonials, frequently asked questions. So we just go here to select one, we just import the template, and then we can go to the creation of our website. Here we go, pages, we will just add a new. Let's create a sample. We'll go here to the library, my templates, and you will have already here so now it will override the previously settings of the page, so it will be now a full website here. Now you can have the template, you can change here images, you should know more about Elementor. But this is one way you can easily add free templates for your website. Thanks for watching.
Wow, that was easy. Now you know how to get free templates for your Elementor WordPress site. I have a link in the description below if you want to get the free or pro version of Elementor. You should consider the pro version if you plan on selling products with WooCommerce. If you are just starting out and need hosting and a domain name, make sure to check out the link below for SiteGround hosting. You will find they have very fast and reliable hosting for a great price. They also have a lot of very positive reviews, so that should mean they are doing something right. Also, to get the free or pro version of Elementor, see the link in the description below. Finally, since you took the time to watch this video till the end, you can access some of my paid courses for free today. You just need to look for the link in the description that says, Free, Private, Access. Once you click on that link, you will see an Access web page. All you need to do to gain free access to the private membership club is type in 765 You can then join my internet marketing membership club for free. I also listed some other very useful information below. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and don't forget to like and click the notification bell to get updates. I should also mention that I have a video on using Elementor with WordPress, so look for it in the links below so you can get started fast. Okay, until next time, take care.